I advocate for a zero-waste lifestyle because our planet deserves better than overflowing landfills and polluted oceans. By choosing to reduce, reuse, and recycle, we lessen the environmental impact of our daily habits and inspire others to do the same. Zero waste is not about being perfect. It's about making mindful choices that protect natural resources and create a healthier future to our communities. Every small actions, from refusing single-use plastic to supporting sustainable products, bring us one step closer to a cleaner and more responsible world. Thank you.